Hello. In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically resize photos to fit a sequence. So on the timeline, I already have several clips prepared. The first is a video with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, that is, full HD. But the next clips we have photos, the size of which is much larger. How we do it before? We right-click on a clip, pressed scale to frame size, and usually we got black frames like this, and we went to controls, zoomed in, and only then we had a result. But now this problem can be solved much faster. There is a special effect for this. I'll show you how to do it automatically. We should go to the effects panel and look for the auto reframe effect. This auto reframe effect we must drag and drop to the timeline on the clip that we need to resize. And as we can see in one click, our photo with sand fit perfectly to the size of the sequence. This effect actually saves a lot of time and make editing faster. If we have several clips that need to be resized, we can just select all the clips and drag auto reframe effect as well. And as we see now, all of our photos fit perfectly in the size of the sequence. Also, I want to say, if you cannot find this effect in your Premiere Pro, most likely you have an old version of the program and it needs to be updated. That's all. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel, and also wish you a good day.